Chapter 7, Maintenance Plans. Maintenance plans are essential models that outline the necessary maintenance activities that need to be carried out periodically on equipment. To access the maintenance module and create maintenance plans, follow these steps. Enter the maintenance module and select Maintenance Plans. Click on the Add button in the toolbar. In the new window, enter a name to identify the maintenance plan and click on Edit Parts and Activities. Click on Add in the new window. Enter the name of the equipment part or component and click OK. The registered equipment parts will be displayed. To continue, click on Add. Record all the necessary data on the next screen. Enter the name of the activity. Select the frequency of maintenance. Record the duration in hours and/or minutes for the activity. Choose the priority level for the activity. Add or select the specialist who will perform the activity. Record the status of the activity based on the technician's report. Document the procedure and requirements for the technician to follow. Click on the OK button to save the information. Congratulations, you have successfully added activities to the maintenance plan parts. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and track maintenance activities for your equipment.